Architectural millwork shops and custom finishers benefit from Raptor composite nails for cellular PVC applications, as well as wood applications, because they are router bit and molder knife safe, sanding belt friendly, and do not need to be removed. They will not rust, stain, or corrode over time. Additionally, Raptor nails can be purchased in colors such as white to blend seamlessly into the finished work with a virtually undetectable footprint. Raptor composite nails are easy to use and versatile for many different cellular PVC applications, as shown here. PVC boards can be stacked, glued, and shaped to make beautiful decorative millwork for exterior or interior, residential or commercial applications. Raptor F15 finish nails hold layers tightly together like a clamp while the glue sets. This layered form is then put into a vacuum bag for a short period of time to ensure a uniform glue layer with no voids. After the form is removed from the bag, it goes through an industrial sander. Note the finished appearance where the Raptor F15 nail was driven, nearly invisible. Another typical application is fastening the mitered corners of crown molding. Raptor composite brads provide great holding power and never need to be removed. They'll be sanded and smoothed to blend in seamlessly with the molding detail. Here we see an intricate design of PVC material being glued and layered for CNC shaping. The Raptor F15 nails are used to nail the individual layers together and then to secure the entire piece to the CNC spoil board. Once the piece is fastened, the CNC system cuts the computer-aided design right through the PVC material and the composite nails without any damage or premature wear to the high-speed router bit. Notice that the form does not budge from its fixed place on the spoil board. Achieving quality of this standard at faster speeds could never be accomplished using steel fasteners or clamps. Raptor nails are far superior to metal nails for their lasting appearance in all environments. Raptor nails and staples, the perfect fastening solution for PVC trim and millwork finishers.